Alright guys, so we're back out here on the lake today. I brought a couple of these antique traps that my grandfather made years ago. They're basically like a tip up, but they're above water. So I got 3 of these. I'm probably going to try at least 2 of them. I'm pretty sure that he built them to fish this lake. They call them perch traps. There's a lot of perch and pickerel in here, and for those warm days I guess it works alright because the reel's above ground. It's pretty warm today, so it shouldn't freeze up on us really. I put new line on them, new flags, and I'm going to see if I can add a photo in to this video right here to show you a picture of my grandfather fishing this lake years and years and years ago, down by this island down here in the middle of the lake. So that's a pretty cool picture. But anyways, I'm going to set a couple of these up, wait for Josh to get here, and then see if we can get any fish. So stay tuned. So basically you have to chisel a hole next to the hole that you just drilled, stick the trap in. Check that out. This is actually a pretty good setup for brook trout because there's no reel or anything down below the ice to spook the fish. Just put on a little golden shiner. That's pretty much set right there. So let's hope we get one on that. That'd be pretty sweet. It's down to the line too. Braided line. Don't know if anybody's home. Ooh. There we go. Oh, he just came off! God, it came off right at the hole. Do you see it spinning?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Grandpa's head crap.
Nope. That thing was ripping for a second.
Yeah.
Perch. Whoa. it backlashes like crazy though.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna take him. Oh shoot!
No.
Damn it. These things are a little bit hard to use to tell, like, I don't know. Oh, I got a fish. Oh! Dude, it took the bait again. I dropped it down and I went to raise it back up to set it to the level I want and there was a fish on. He ain't getting away from me this time. Oh, it's going again. He's going. Oh, he's on there. Rookie. Nice. I friggin' jacked him. Alright, folks. Nice little female brook trout. Going back home. Yeah, buddy.
Windy, but
I even caught that on this line that's probably older than me. Before they even, I put a fluorocarbon leader on here, probably before they even friggin' had fluorocarbon. There we go.
I got weight.
Took a bunch of line out. Do you feel any head shakes?
No shakes at all.
Oh! Did it come off?
Must have.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no. Yeah, it pretty much set itself because it got all twisted. Oh.
Oh yeah, there ain't no way he's coming unhooked.
Probably the same one that would just buzzed this one. Oh, holy crap. It's probably the one that's on my line. Oh, little pickerel.
Nothing?
Yeah, there's something. Here we go. Oh, it's a nice one. I don't know what it is, but it's got some weight to it. Oh, it's a pickerel. Pickerel, folks. The Maine chain pickerel. Oh, there you go. That one has gone off too many times, Josh. She's right sideways. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Josh. Getting rid of that polar tip up is the best thing you ever did. Just gotta set it and forget it. Do the dance, Josh. Do the dance. Get some weight to it? Yeah. Probably all wrapped in weeds too. Rookie. Nice. Yeah. Show this. Yeah, here you go.
Alright.
Nice little fish.
Yeah. Oh, he is cold. Jesus.
I'll be a good eater. Not bad fish. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. It wasn't a bad day. We were just kind of messing around, not really too serious. Wanted to just try out those old traps that my grandfather had made, so they worked alright. Caught a few fish on them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, maybe I can go out and fish with those again another time when it gets a little warmer. And thanks for watching.